Look at that little tiger. Just up the tree. Climb up the tree so you can watch the dog. Look at this cat. It's like a little tiger. Wow. Isn't he amazing? Oh, a little tiger. Wow. Look at that. He's watching the... Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you guys crazy. This is a very special cat. Oh, that's called Teddy. Teddy the cat. Wow, what are you doing up the tree, Teddy? Beautiful cat. Teddy, the dog will jump on you. Look at that, she's looking at the dog. Teddy, what are you doing on the cat? What a curious cat. Teddy, those dogs will chop you up. Look at that majestic. That's a special cat. Teddy the cat. Wow. You see? She's just watching the dogs. Wow, look at that eyes. Oh, she's just an observant. Yeah, that's Teddy. Teddy the cat. It's your buddy, your neighbor, see? Yeah, she's watching you guys. She's no scared from you. What a cat. Teddy, get off the tree. Oh, she's gonna come down. Wow. Look, she's up in the tree. What a cat. That cat called Teddy the cat. Wow, she's so curious. Yeah. She's watching the dog. Hi! How you doing? We have to give you. Hey, you're my buddy. I love you. You're such a nice dog. Well, let's say Teddy. Teddy, get off the car. Oh, she want to be part of the family here. Yes, what are you doing up the tree? Time to calm down. Look at that, how she climbed on the tree. What a cat. What a beauty. Teddy the cat. She's a beauty. You see her here? Got chopped. But she's so curious. Just up the tree. She thinks she's up in the jungle. What a beauty cat. Teddy, you got to get off the tree. Look at the eyes of this cat. Isn't that a beauty? Oh, what a cat. Yes, you're a beauty. Yeah, what a nice cat. Time to come down. Teddy, leave the dog alone. Those are 2 against 1. She keep watching the dog. Wow, what a curious cat. Very independent, but she's gonna come down. She thinks she's in the jungle. Wow, you see, she's watching the dog. She just have seen her. That's Teddy the cat. It's like a little bear. She's coming down or not? Wow. Teddy the cat. See how beautiful is this tree? And she's watching the dog. She doesn't give back. Wow, what a nice cat. But I think it's time for Teddy to say goodnight. See how she climbed. Wow, she's climbing higher and higher. Where are you going? She's climbing higher on the tree. Oi, 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 oi. Oh. Look how far she is. Oh, you're gonna jump on those dogs? You're gonna fall down. Look how far. Oh, now you're gonna fall down. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You went too far. Time to come down. Teddy the cat. What a cat. You can hear her. Oh, oh. Let's see. She's up. Going like a little lion. Yeah. Time to come down. You got in trouble. You went too far up. She's gonna fall. I better move. She doesn't follow me. Yeah, you silly cat. You went too up. Teddy the cat. What a crazy cat. She doesn't know how to come down. Teddy the cat. Yeah, she's all up there, snug. Hope you can see her. Yeah, she climbs so up. She doesn't know how to come down. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, you crazy cat. You went too far up. Yeah. Time to come down. She's amazing, this cat. You can see her from here. Wow, just like a little panther, see? She's beautiful. Yeah. She's still looking at the dog. She likes those dogs. Wow, I never seen a cat. Meow! Meow, time to come down. Yes. Just get down, slowly. You can jump it. Yeah. We'll see. Time to come down. Her name is Teddy. Look like a little teddy. Little teddy bird. Teddy. See? She hears my nose. Time to come down, Teddy. Yeah. Leave the dog alone. Yeah, look at her. What a look.